This elevates our simple adobo of vinegar and salt and pepper and some spices and herbs. Happy. It's worth sharing. I don't regret sharing this today.
Yes, let's upgrade our humble squid adobo to international levels by adding just 2 ingredients. Join me here on Channel 1 for some learning and fun.
Hello, warm welcome back to Channel 1. I'm very busy here. I'm baking chocolate cake, you'll see it later. Chicken curry here, and prep the ingredients already, go away. And the squid adobo. Yes, it's a simple dish. It's a simple dish. Why is it worth sharing, you might ask? We will just be comparing and analyzing it with its equivalent, its international equivalent. We'll be elevating it or relating it to the Spanish, it's my own actually, Spanish tradition. When they cook encebollado or cook it with wine or vinegar. In most dishes, if not all seafoods, they add parsley. And why not add, first time to do it, paprika powder to make it taste better. So we're cooking adobo, squid adobo, or I will call it Chipirones Encebollados. Let's start. Nothing different from what we know when cooking adobo. We'll stir fry the ingredients. Did I tell you about the rest of the ingredients? Vinegar, pepper, black pepper, and of course salt and pepper. Needless to say. And I didn't say that we should remove this from the squid. I'm using here white squid, but you can use any other variety of squid.
Onions and garlic.
The only new additions, this ones. Most of you might use chili and why not use paprika powder. Let's start the stir fry. Cameraman, you might have to come closer. Generally, it's white onion. I don't have it, so we're using red onion. I hope it does not discolor the white squid. Again, introducing, this is the only thing that is new to our squid adobo in the Philippines. I'll add it now. And this easily burns. See? So we should be quick. We should be quick. That's why I'm adding the squid now. Yeah. If you can only smell the paprika powder, really does wonders to this. Ay, ay, ay. The commonality between the adobo and most encebollados is the frying of the fish or whatever that be. Since I can't fry these pieces individually,
I'm just stir frying them.
you know, cameraman, you should show my sandals. Ideally, this should be waterless and it should be sizzling, but we cannot keep the squid from producing water. Okay, at this point, we can add the vinegar. Yeah, again, we're analyzing the commonality between the encebollado of Iberia and our adobo. Roughly, how many kilos is this? 3/4 kilo. So I'll be using just 1/4 cup of, around 1/4 cup of vinegar. Yeah. And just let it boil briskly before touching it. If you were using wine, I use around 1/2 cup while we wait for this to boil, I might as well tell you, get you excited about other places, events, and cultures at the other channel. Places, events, and cultures, my barrio, my mundo. This, I want to relate this to Iberia, to Spain. Seafoods are cooked as encebollados, or simply paksiw, that's paksiw to us, or adobo. And I relate to a story one time when I was still living in a student house. Pablo tasted my pusit, or my squid adobo, and he asked me, Romilo, how did you find the recipe? This is how my mother cooks squid. I just told him, this is how we do it in the Philippines. This is our adobo. And he said, it tastes the same as our dish in Galicia. See, they're the same. They, of course, use their locally available ingredient. Wine as vinegar. Small world, after all. Not yet boiling. I can smell the vinegar now, but let's wait a bit. Oh yes, I got. Yeah, it's my barrio, my mundo, just like this places I'm showing you now. I hope you get a chance to watch those videos as well. They are properly curated and selected, not just uploaded. Lots of hours are spent on editing and in shooting them where they are. Not to mention expensive to make. It's freshly boiling now, which means we can touch it, we can add the rest of the ingredients. Salt, always according to your taste or al gusto. And pepper. I think it does not harm to add this paprika frozen, my harvest from the garden, just to add color. The paprika flavor is already in the powder. Yeah. If that was fresh, this should have been very colorful. As always, when cooking with vinegar, it's always needed, or mostly needed, to balance it with sugar. So let's taste it. Yeah, a bit of sugar. Yes. Oh, this is cooked now. Oh, to be honest with you, it really tastes delicious. The paprika and the sourness or the sweetness provided by the vinegar and balanced by the sugar is really tasty. Look, it's cooked now, but it's watery. I don't want it to be watery. And I don't want to boil it further because it will overcook the squid.
So I'll remove the water and boil it separately until it thickens.
We're just going to thicken this and then re-add it. Tip, if you want to make it tastier, use more oil. Really.
And it has thickened.
I can re-add the rest. Look at this. Taste it. I won't eat it all, but I'm just tasting. Oh, if you can only smell it. The paprika works wonders, really, as well as the parsley. I can die for this. One more. Oh, this elevates our simple adobo of vinegar and salt and pepper and some spices and herbs. Happy. It's worth sharing. I don't regret sharing this today. Till next time. I hope you make it as well and you got inspired to explore. I hope my lips are not black. See you in the next video.